Safety Toolbox Talk number 245. Purpose of regular safety inspections.
1. Hazard identification. Early detection of risks. The primary purpose of safety inspections is to identify potential hazards before they cause harm. This includes physical hazards like faulty equipment, chemical hazards, or ergonomic issues. Preventing accidents. By identifying and addressing hazards early, organizations can prevent accidents and injuries, thus protecting employees and reducing downtime. 2. Promoting a culture of safety, awareness and education. Conducting regular inspections promotes a culture of safety within the organization. It raises awareness among employees about potential risks and encourages them to follow safety protocols. Employee involvement. Inspections often involve employee participation, which fosters a sense of responsibility and ownership towards maintaining a safe work environment. 3. Ensuring compliance with safety standards, adherence to regulations. Regular inspections ensure that the workplace complies with local, state, and federal safety regulations. This helps in avoiding legal issues, fines, and penalties that could arise from non-compliance. Certification and accreditation. Many industries require certification or accreditation to operate. Regular inspections help maintain the standards needed for these certifications, ensuring the organization's ability to continue operations. 4. Documentation, continuous improvement, record keeping. Safety inspections generate documentation that can be used for audits, compliance checks, and continuous improvement efforts. These records help track safety performance over time. Feedback loop. Regular inspections provide feedback on the effectiveness of safety policies and procedures, allowing organizations to make necessary adjustments and improvements. 5. Enhancing equipment and facility maintenance. Equipment safety. Inspections help ensure that all machinery and equipment are in good working condition. Regular checks can detect wear and tear, allowing for timely maintenance or replacement, thus preventing malfunctions that could lead to accidents. Facility upkeep. Inspections ensure that the physical environment, such as lighting, ventilation, and emergency exits, is well maintained. This contributes to the overall safety and comfort of the workplace. 6. Risk management and mitigation. Risk assessment. Regular inspections provide valuable data that can be used to assess risks and implement strategies to mitigate them. This proactive approach helps in minimizing the likelihood of accidents. Emergency preparedness. Inspections often include checks on emergency preparedness, such as ensuring fire alarms, emergency exits, and first aid kits are functional and accessible. This ensures that the organization is ready to handle emergencies effectively. 7. Improving organizational efficiency. Reduce downtime. By preventing accidents and maintaining equipment, safety inspections help reduce downtime caused by injuries or equipment failure, leading to more consistent productivity. Cost savings. Preventing accidents and maintaining compliance with safety standards can save the organization significant costs related to workers' compensation, legal fees, and fines.
Thank you.